Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Code.xyz. So we were in this state till our last video where we did the feature mapping. Okay. Now in this video we'll discuss how to deal with these NaN values. So for that I've written this small function called imputer. Then we will be using imputer function from sklearn preprocessing library. So what it actually gonna do is it's gonna look for the missing value for the data that you're passing, and then it has a few strategies. So it's gonna take that particular axis. Okay, in this case this is axis 0. So the axis 0 is column here. Okay, so it's going to take the median of those values. It's going to calculate the median of the value in that axis 0, and then it's going to replace that NaN value with that particular value. So basically we have to call the function. Then we have to do fit so that it gets to know about the values, and then it's going to transform. So after knowing about the value, it's going to transform all the NaN to median value correspondingly, and then it's going to return the value to us. So now let's print out this one like before and after. So before we print out, let me explain. We are now at the second step of our building the machine learning model. So we are done with the first and third, which is loading the data and splitting the data into training and test. Now we are gonna extract features and labels from our data. So basically till here, let me save this and execute. We have 45 columns. So column from 0 to 44 will be our feature, and then the column 44 will be our class or labels. So once we are done splitting, which is our second step in building the machine learning model, we do the imputing. So we do imputing for training data, and then we do the imputing for test data step by step. So now we could actually print it out. So let me call the print function here. And then after imputing here. So now copy, paste. Okay, perfect. Save, press F5. If you see here, wait, let me get rid of this one. Save F5. So if you see here, maybe I should put something that acts as a demarcation. So if you see here, this is till before NaN. So this is this value. Okay, this is actually this value. This one. It's actually this one. So this is this one, and after that we no more have NaN. Okay, so now the data is all set, and our features can be fed to a machine learning model. So in the next video tutorial, we'll be like going forward with the rest of the steps, which will be step 4, 5, and then we'll be building a model further. Okay, see you guys in the next video tutorial.